Another tip for the same concept. Today I will show you how to design a football flyer in Photoshop. It looks like full energy. If your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. And if you have a question, let me know in the comment. So let's get started to the video. In this video, I have three important in design. The first, work with background. Second, work with picture and color. And third, work with logo and text. For design, the first step we have to do is to create a new document. For create a new document, we can go to File, choose New, and for another way by using shortcut, we use Ctrl N, like that. This is recent size I used before, and we can see it as photo, print, art, illustration, web, mobile, film, and video. I beg, but if you want to make by your own side, please take a look to present detail. The top one is the name of document. For here, I choose centimeters, width 21, height 27. Orientation, I choose portrait, resolution 300 pixel inch, color mode RGB, 8-bit, background content, I put white, color profile as RGB, sphere pixel, and create. This is our new document. Before design, I save it first. For save a new document, we go to File, choose Save As, and choose the place you want to save. And you can rename on it, Save As tab, choose PDS, and save. Next step, I add card layout. I go to View, choose Card, and choose New Card Layout. I change color of it. I choose this color and please click on Machine. All of them I put 20 pixels and OK. The first we design on background. So I go to Folder. For our background and texture, I download it from Pinterest. Let I show you. I search background. Just add many background that you can download it and use for design. First, I drop this one. And next step, I want to make this background blur. So I go to Filter, click on Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Radius, I put 10 pixels and OK. And next step, I add some picture. I drop this one. And I want to make it blur as well. I no need go to filter again. I just copy from the previous background. For copy from it, just hold Alt key on the keyboard and drag it. The previous background, I put 10 pixels. But this background, I need only 5 pixels. Click here and double click on Smart Filter and put radius 5 pixels. And next step, I add hue and saturation to make the second and the first background match color. So I click on it and I click here and choose hue saturation. Right click and create clipping mask. Saturation I put 40. Hue I put -11. Okay. And next step, I want to remove the people and the sky. So I put layer mask on it. And next step, I use brush tool to brush it. I choose soft round. Opacity, I put 100. The color, make sure it's black. And brush it a little bit. Next up, I add more picture. I must hue and saturation to it as well. So I just copy this one, click on it and Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, right click and create clipping mask. I click on colorize. Okay, I put layer mask and I use brush tool, color black and brush on it. Select both layer and Ctrl J to make copy, Ctrl T, right click and choose flip horizontal and drag to another side. Now we finish on the background. I select all layer by click the top layer, hold shift and click. Ctrl G to make group and rename. I put BG, it means background. For next step, I work on picture and color. I have it already, so I go to folder and drop the picture. Remove background of it. Click on it and select subject. If you don't see it, like that, we go to window and tick on contextual taskbar. Okay. Select subject and put layer mask by click here or click here. Okay. I add hue and saturation to it. I click here and choose hue saturation. Right click and create clipping mask. Saturation I put 45. Lighten I put 15 and I add brightness and contrast one more. Right click and create clipping mask. Contrast I put 80. Brightness I put -12. Okay. I add another picture. And remove background of it and put layer mask. And next step, I add hue and saturation to it as well. So I just copy from the previous picture. Select both layer and Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl V to paste. Right click and create clipping mask, and I need to customize it a little bit. I add more picture. Select subject and put layer mask. I copy brightness and hue to paste on it. Ctrl V to paste, right click and create clipping mask and customize it a little bit. Okay, I add more picture. Select subject, put layer mask. I copy the color, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and right click and create clipping mask. Customize it. I insert more picture. Select subject and put layer mask. Copy the color and paste. Right click and create clipping mask and customize it. Insert more picture. Select subject, put layer mask. Copy the color and paste. Create clipping mask. And next step, I brush picture a little bit. The first on this picture by use brush tool. Choose saffron and the color black. Opacity I put only 50. Next, this picture. Next step, I make it to one group. Click the top layer, hold Shift and click Ctrl G to make group. For next step, I add texture background. I go to folder and drop this. I download it from Pinterest and you can find it on that website as well. I change blend mode to screen. Yes. I add texture background one more. This one. I put layer mask and I use brush tool. Choose saffron. Opacity I put 100. Color we put black and brush it. For next step, logo and text. So I add team logo and some text. Nearly finished, and I want to brush this texture. I mask on it and I use brush tool. And finish. Next step, I remove card layout. I go to View, Cards, Clear Canvas Card Layout. Okay, let's see. And next step, I want to export it to JPEG. For export, I go to File, choose Export, and click Export as JPEG. And choose the place you want to save, and click Save. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. See you next video.